Hi, we're going to start on page 1 now. Now, if you remember, we always say when you've made your pocket pages up, and if you've used the pre-scored ones, try and keep your seam where it joins all the same way down, so you've got all on the bottom of the page. And then mark your page number 1 with an arrow, turn it over, number 2 with an arrow, so you don't start decorating pages upside down. So this is our page map. And this is when I do a sketch, a page plan. So this is page 1, the hinge side is there. I've got a lift up flap, strip along here. When the flap's opened up, this is the pocket, you can see a strip and another pocket there. That's just how I do it in my mind. Some people find it helpful, some people don't, but that's just to show you how it works. So what we're going to do is create this page. So you have the flap that lifts up, you have a pocket here, and you have a pocket here. So my pocket page is here. My open ends are each way because that's going to be my hinge size. And first of all, I'm going to stick my card flap onto the base pocket page. Now, we have got some fabulous new corner punches, and I'm just going to do a decorative corner edge. So I think this is 5/8 of an inch, this corner, which is quite an unusual size. It's not too big and not too small, it's just right.
Just right.
So let's take that off. Okay. So I've got my 1/2 inch flap allowance, and what I'm going to do is stick that right onto the edge there, like that. And when you're sticking black onto black, it helps if you have a lighter background behind, so it's easier to see. And if this is your first time doing this, you might find it easier to pop a little bit of coll out or something like that, so you've got a bit more wiggle room. So that's the edge here.
And bring it forward, I can't see.
Okay.
I don't want me to...
No, that's fine. How's that? So
Yeah.
I'll put that one there. Actually, I can see I've stuck it already. Right, okay. Ooh.
Is that sticky tape?
Yeah. Right, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this because I haven't got it straight. So just use your bone tool folder. There we go. Bring it out. Don't worry because that bit's going to be covered up, so you need to put a bit of glue on there. But this is so sticky. This is our red line tape. Right, start again. So pop it flat on the end there. It was straight, but it wasn't meeting, you know, I'd started too far in. And you would have, that's it. Okay.
So it's better to get it right, isn't it?
It is, because you might think it's fine, and then as soon as you put the decorative paper on, you'll notice it. Right, okay, so then we'll burnish that on there. Like
So you should have put glue on then, shouldn't you?
I should have put some glue on, shouldn't I?
So stating the obvious.
Thank you. Yeah. Oops, see the magnets have joined in the front. Okay, so that's that on there. Right, so next I need to put my other pocket on here. So that's going to be there, like that. Okay. Because it's a pocket, you only want glue on 3 sides. So I'll just go there, there, and there. And again, I'm going to line it up using the white so it's easier to map. Black on black. Can you see that okay, Kay?
Yeah.
It's a mouthful, okay, Kay. Okay, right. The next thing we need to do is pop our magnets on. So I'm going to use, I know my magnets are here because they were stuck on the, okay. These are our neodymium magnets, which are very strong. It's easiest to slide them off, and I'm actually using Magpops cut out from using our Magpop die and using Architect tape. Okay.
That's it.
How's that? Okay.
So I zoomed in, that's why.
It's self-adhesive, so I'm just going to stick a magnet on there, and then about halfway in, just pop that one on there. just burnish it in well. You can use double-sided tape, but this gives a really strong finish, and once this is burnished in, that magnet is not going anywhere. So take another one. Now it's going to be sticky side up. Take a magnet, just let it drop on. Okay. Hold it down.
Oops, sorry,
Sorry.
that's my fault. I zoomed in the wrong way.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, and then that's on there, and this will be covered up by decorative paper and the decorative strip. Normally you'd put your magnet on your base page, but if you've got a pocket like that, if the magnet was there, as you put things in, it would catch on it. So that's why we've put it on top here. Okay, so that's the basis of our first page. And now we're going to start decorating. So it's going to take a little while to get my head around this. So that's going to go there. That's going to go on there.
Can't see any of that.
Right, can you see that?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, right, so now I'm finding out, right, these two pieces here I've cut to fit. So this one is going to go on here. This one is going to go under here. And I really want to try and match the pattern as much as I can. I know I'll have a gap there, but that's what that is for, to go on there. Okay. So, right, this one that's going here, I need to round the corners to match that one. So I'm going to make sure it's the right way. I'm going to pop the corner in and punch and punch. So that's in there like that. That matches beautifully, doesn't it?
It does, beautiful.
I'll just ink those because I didn't ink those. Right, okay, so we'll pop that on there. And you'll see that I've got page tabs on my page, but what I'd suggest is I'd go through at the end and probably pop those on, just to see what pieces, decorative pieces you've got left. Okay, so that's on there, that's on there. So I'm going to use collal for this bit because I've got a bit more wiggle room. I would do if it came out. You forget how strong it smells, don't you? Okay, so we'll pop that one down there. Like that, that's a pretty good match. Make sure that's still going to be covered. And that's still going to be covered there. Right, I might need to just move it up a smidge. Yep, that's fine. Yep, okay. So happy with that. So then I'll stick this piece on here. It's going to be a pocket here. Which will stick there, and because it's a pocket, it's going to have glue just on 3 sides. And you can see we've tried to carry on the pattern. Little tiny decorative strip here. Lots of these elements of the decorative strips and things, they really do help to finish a page. Sorry, you can't see, can you?
No, but
Okay, so that one's going to go on there. Right, now I've got the gap here. Okay, I should have put my piece of decorative paper in there first. Can you just pause it a minute, Kay? Okay, we're back. In the PDF you'll have the measurements for this, and I would recommend sticking this in before you stick your other pocket in. The reason I forgot to do that was to show you where to cut it from. It's actually cut from the piece that had, I cut the boat out from. So it's a spare piece, you'll see it in the PDF, and it was just to show you how to cut it to fit. And it does fit, so that's fine. But what I am going to do again is use collal here, because purely and simply I've got to slide it in under the pocket. And go find out where your edge is, and then go up just to leave about 1/8 of an inch before you get to the fold line there. Okay, and then because I've lifted these sides up, they need sticking, so take a little bit of scrap card, pop some glue on both sides, just want it there, that'll stick, and the same this side. Oh, I've got a rubbish bag here, Kate, did you notice?
No, I didn't notice that. Blimey.
Are you impressed?
I'm surprised.
You're so rude. Okay, while we've got this open, we're going to pop our other one on here. So again, because we've got the round corners, we'll use our corner rounder punch again. And this is really easy to use, it just slots into the corners. So this one, this is our strip that's going to cover that black piece of card here. Okay, and that will stick on there like that. And because it's matted on black card, it also gives a bit more definition and dimension, so it's not just a flat page that you're looking at. Put that down. Okay, so you've got a pocket there, you've got a pocket there, and then that will close down like that, and your paper matches. So you can pop, you don't have to use a page tab if you don't want to, but that's page 1 done. Okay,